In this video, I'll show you how to pair controllers with your Quest 3 in case you want to pair a new controller with your device. So what you need to do is take your smartphone with the Meta Quest app that is linked to your Quest 3 and open this app. Then from here, you're going to tap on Menu, then Devices. And by the way, your Quest 3 needs to be turned on for this to work. Okay, and then tap on your Quest 3 here. And from here, go down, tap Headset Settings, and then Controllers. You're going to see the two controllers, or maybe you have more, that are already paired with your device over here. You can tap on them and you can unpair. Let's say you lost one or one broke and you won't use it anymore, just tap on Pair Controller. But if you want to pair a new controller, well, tap on the last setting here. And from here, I'm going to select which one I want to pair from the list. In my case, is a Quest 3 right side controller. So I'll tap on this option. And here it will ask you to press the the Meta logo and the B button, both for 4 seconds until you hear the controller vibrate. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, it vibrates. I can release those two buttons. Now we're just gonna wait. And you'll get this screen, right controller paired, and press continue and then press done, and that's all. Now you can go ahead and put this aside and start using your Quest 3. So it's very easy and it can literally be done in less than 2 minutes. So if this was helpful, please leave a like in the comment section below. Check the affiliate links in the description and I'll see you in the next video.